Hello companions and tutor, my name is Erlinda Vanessa Quiñones Santa Maria. Today I will go to speak about Villavicencio, my city. Villavicencio is a small place, is a city with 179 years old. Villavicencio is full of the beautiful places, parks and monuments. Our culture is known as the Llanera culture. In Villavicencio is shopping center Primavera. This shopping center is the most big of the city and is the most beautiful. This shopping center have a cinema, a river, and a hotel. It was built 2 years ago and is so famous for the harmony with nature and his aquarium. Memory Historical Park is a park that was recently remodeled by the local government. This park today has free games for the community and is the favorite recreational place for the families and children. Monument La Piedra del Amor is perfect to visit in the evenings. Is a cool place. In this place we can enjoy of the delicious chocolate. Monument to the Alps is a place to visit because of the beauty that water created by symbolizing the Alps stains. In Christmas times, this place is illuminated. Thank you.